Hey guys, if you are looking for a way to make your Instagram feed a little more easier on your eyes, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode on Instagram. By switching to dark mode, you can enjoy black interface on the app, and this will be easier to your battery life and strain your eyes when you are scrolling your Instagram feed at the late night. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. First of all, you have to open up the Instagram mobile application. Here you have to make sure that your account has been logged in. After that, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see the option of your profile. You simply have to click on this. After coming to your profile, you can see the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. You have to tap on these and then you have to go to settings. In the settings, you can see the second last option is of theme. You simply have to select this, and after that, Instagram will show you three themes: light, dark and system default. You simply have to click on dark theme, and after that, as you guys can see that the whole app has been turned dark. Okay, so guys, this was the easiest and quick way to turn on dark theme on Instagram. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.